Okay.
You know the vibes, man. We eating Popeye's classic chicken sandwich today.
I got a spicy one.
I got classic.
I'm driving right now because we're on our way to meet our
newest fur baby.
Yeah, we're expecting.
This shit looks good. This looks like one of them.
Look at
like,
this motherfucker.
Them dogs you see online, you know? Them furry golden dogs.
Oh,
so mine has no pickles or sauce.
Mine looks delicious.
Alright.
It's fucking huge. Ha.
I ain't got no sauce on mine. But the chicken's
Popeye?
really good.
Okay, the camera fell.
Chicken's so good.
I had one bite.
Yours looks wet though. You got hella sauce. Eat that pickle. Every time we bite the chicken, the camera falls. The spicy one's way better. The sauce is hella good. It's got a little bit of a kick to it, but it's got good flavor.
Not that spicy. I like things really spicy.
No.
But I feel like it'd be, I don't think I would like it if it was like extra spicy. Because I like the flavors and usually spice like.
It's not very saucy.
Let me see some of my sauce.
Can I have some of your sauce? What do you say out of 10?
That's good though. Mine?
Yours.
I would say, I'm not a big like chicken sandwich person.
What would you compare it with Chick-fil-A?
I do like their spicy chicken sandwiches.
So who's winning that grudge match?
I think it's equal. Personally, I eat small portions. I wish this was like my size. My experience, I went in there very irritated because I saw the line for the drive-thru and we were like, F that. I waited in line. There were some very angry customers. They were very upset, but they were waiting for 30 minutes. I don't care.
We didn't wait 30 minutes.
Yeah, we didn't wait long at all.
Out of 10, I'd give this like I'd say a 7. Hers is definitely better than mine. They skipped me on sauce. There's like a pickle slice on here. So like I got one really good bite. It was good. It was good. It was good. I like the breading. The breading's fire on this.
I like the meat. It's nice and juicy.
The chicken is hella juicy. The outside's crispy. The pickle's zesty.
Yeah, I like the pickle. Very salty.
Overall, it was a good sandwich. Would I wait in line for it? Probably
No.
not.
Since I like it as much as I like Chick-fil-A's, we would not wait in line for it.
No, just go to Chick-fil-A and get their deluxe spicy without all the bullshit, no lettuce.
Spicy sauce?
Mm-hmm. Spicy sauce. It's good.
It's huge. I would bring my own pickle.
And just make your own chicken too. Make a spicy sauce. Buy some buns. You don't have to wait in line then. Life hacks.
That's all I have to say.